Champai Soren, a former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, has said that he will float his new party. He's going to start a new party this after his rebellion against Hemant Soren. According to sources, there was no entry for Champai Soren in the BJP. Remember, there had been this suspense. He had come to Delhi whether he would actually join the BJP, but it seems that he was not. That didn't work out. There was no entry for him allowed in the BJP, and he has said he will not retire from politics, and in fact will be floating his own party. He has said that he had three options: retirement, organization, or friend, I will not retire, I'll strengthen the party. Let's just listen into what he said.
जो हम अध्याय शुरू किया है, हर दिन भी हमारा चैप्टर बदलते रहेगा। संगठन को मजबूत करेंगे, नया संगठन, और रास्ता में कोई अच्छा दोस्त अगर मिला, दोस्ती करके आगे समाज का, इस राज्य का सेवा करूंगा।
Well, let's go across to Prabhakar now for more. And so after not being welcomed by the BJP and finding himself, a little stuck, now Champai Soren announcing that he is going to float his own party, but not much time left, is there?
See, it might not be as simple as it looks on the face of it. Remember, Champai Soren is an old political hand, and he has been in politics in Jharkhand and that particular area for last 30 years or so. So what we are learning from our party sources, our sources in JMM and in Jharkhand, is that this might be one of his pressure tactics on BJP. Remember, while he announces that he'll float his own political party, he's also, the backdoor conversation with BJP is on, that has not actually died down. So BJP and Champai Soren, BJP leaders and Champai Soren, they were in touch and they wanted Champai Soren to be in their fold. Now Champai Soren here announces that he will not be joining BJP but forming his own party. So that is a kind of a pressure tactics as our sources confirmed to us, and there might be two possibilities from here onwards. One, he forms his own political outfit and joins hands with BJP, becomes BJP's NDA's ally when the election comes, or he might actually be joining the BJP fold as an individual.
All right. Thanks so much, Prabhakar, for joining us.